Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be talking about how to collect leads using our lead magnet. But first, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content tips. A lead magnet is typically a piece of content like an ebook, checklist, or even a webinar that you can offer to your audience in exchange for their contact details. Once you have your lead magnet, you need to create a squeeze page or opt-in page to collect your leads. The system that I'm using to run all my automations is called Systeme.io. It's an awesome tool. You can get access for free today from the link below this video. Now let's head to Systeme.io, and as you can see, the dashboard is beautiful. You can open your dashboards, you can create contacts and tags. You can have funnels, you can have emails, blogs, automation, products, and so many other things. But today we will focus only on the funnels. So let's go ahead and create new funnel. So let's give it a name. I'll name it a squeeze page. And next step is to choose the domain. You can either choose the default domain or you can register a custom domain. We'll talk about this later. Since this funnel is for lead generation, so we'll only choose build an audience, and I will leave the currency as default since we are not selling anything. And there it is. You have your own funnel created. Next step is to customize. So let's click on the squeeze page. And as you can see, you have two steps already created for you, a squeeze page and a thank you page. And this is actually all we need. So click on the squeeze page. Now, the system is giving you options to choose from multiple templates. You can browse those templates, check which one makes sense for you. Let's check which one I want. I think, yeah, this one looks good, so I'll choose this one. The next step is to give a name. This is going to be the URL, so choose a good name. Let's call it an opt-in. Okay, let's try. Opt-in as one word. Save. I think, yeah, there is another one with the same name. So let's change a bit. I will call it opt-in. Save. Yeah, it works. So next step is to edit the page. And here you will see the beauty of that system. All right, here is the editor, and it's very simple for anyone with experience on editing web pages. So you can scroll. This is the default template that was given to you. You can always update it. So I like my squeeze page to be very simple. So what I will do is I will remove any unnecessarily sections from here. So let's move this one. Yes. Let's remove this one as well. Okay. And I think, yeah, this one, we don't need it. I want to keep the page very simple, okay. So always try to reduce the noise on the squeeze page. Keep it very, very simple. All right, so let's remove the last one. I think we are good now. So I will change the title. I will call it Email Marketing Launch Kit version 2. It's a new one, okay? So if you have the old one, you can go and get the new one now. And put some simple text here. Build your own email list. Perfect. I will change the photo as well. So let's change the photo. So you just click here and change the photo. So let's upload the file. Yeah, here it is. And uploading. And done. Okay, select this photo and voila, you have your photo in the page. I don't know why the name is changed, but let's add it again. Build your own email list. Perfect. Now I want also to have the name and email, so let me duplicate this field. Okay, and I will change the input type to be first name. So now I have first name and email. I think the pic looks good right now. It looks very good. So let me see how it looks like. Yeah, it looks good to me. I like it. Very simple, not noisy, easy. Yeah, very good. Let's go back. By the way, you can also see how the page will look like on mobile. All right. Okay, let's save it and exit. And we have completed the first page. The next step is to create the thank you page. So let's choose a simple template as well. Let's choose the right template. No, next. I'm trying to find a very simple one. Again, it doesn't have to be noisy. It has to be very simple, straight to the point. Let's keep looking. No, no, no. You know what? Yeah, this one looks good to me. Let's select it. Again, you just change the name. I will call it thank you page. Thank you. No spaces. Save it. And edit the page. Okay, great. Let's customize it as well. Again, first thing is to remove all the unnecessarily sections. Remove, and okay. Let's call the title congratulations, and I'll change the subtext to please download your ebook from the button below. Now what we need to do is we need to change this button to be named, let's call it, yeah, that's the button text. Let's call it download now, or just download. I will change the action when the button is clicked is to download file, and I will upload the file directly. So upload, here it is, perfect. Uploading, it's a bit big file. Anyway, oh, it's done, great. So let's choose the file. Yep, and here you go. Now when they click on the download button, they will be able to download the file. Save and exit. Great, great. So the most important step is to test the whole process. Let's copy the link, open it. Great. Now let's test the whole process. I will put my name and the email address. And let's try. Oh, perfect. Congratulations. Now let's check if they can download. And as you can see, it's downloaded successfully. Perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now let's go back and check if we managed to collect this contact. So in your dashboard, you'll find now that you have one lead, and also you can see it here. And if you check the contacts, let's check it. Yep. And you will see you have one contact created. Congratulations, you managed to create a squeeze page, you created a thank you page, and you collected your first email contact. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video.